million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me feel.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some synthetic drip as we continue with our reds and blonde series. It's not on this unit that's on my head. This review has already gone up. If you're looking at the description box, I put a link to this review, but it came from the same bomb company, and that's SamsBeauty. Y'all know, like I said, we're doing in the midst of this red and blonde series. So I picked up a bunch of wigs on my own from SamsBeauty, and they were nice enough to send us over this unit and the one that I'm about to bring you guys. All right. This one just bomb.com, but boom. Look at this next one SamsBeauty sent over. This one is by FreeTress Equal, which you know that's OG Wig Slayer company. We know that. And it's in the style Julia, Julia. And SamsBeauty sent it over in FF Golden Brown, which is a blonde blend for those of you that color is so pretty. I just looked down at it. Julia comes with ear-to-ear lace, a 5-inch part. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. And on the stock card, she is very, very cute, right? Let's look at this color. So this wig also comes in hot choco or chocolate. But y'all, I've never stopped to get, because I guess hot chocolate has always been one of my favorite colors. But look at this golden brown. That's such a muted, pretty blonde blend, huh? Julia comes with lace that I've cut off. That's all I've done in this unit. Y'all know I like to do everything with y'all. Y'all my friends. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. In the front, you get that ear-to-ear lace part. Comb to the right, comb to the left. Julia looks cute. Y'all look at that serving on the side. Let's take off Lily, play around with Julia, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. This wig brings back such 90s vibes to me. This wig reminds me of my mom in the 90s. So, well, first, I don't know if I showed y'all that texture up close. It is 1,000% more of a natural hair texture, but it doesn't quite put you in the mind of Anisha, but it is super full. If you can't tell, this is super full. This is Where Are the Keys to My Benz? Never mind, it's push start. Who buying paper towel, baby? All we use in this house is cloth napkins. I'm not coming to the family reunion, and if I do, I'm not putting on a shirt for the family reunion. You hear my voice done changed. When Veritina Turner didn't it? Right, that's what this wig is giving. I think that this wig will be perfect for somebody. Is it my style? No. Can I appreciate the wig? 1,010%, yeah. Like, this is for somebody. Okay, like I said, this was definitely my mama, my aunties in the 90s. Y'all look at that though. Which makes me nervous because I got that little outre unit, that Jovi wig, that little mullet wig. Y'all, I got it in red. It's coming. Y'all look at this. This is nice. This is nice. I can't recommend it. It isn't for me, but it's a beautiful wig for somebody. 1,000% recommended in this blonde blend. Because like I said, I normally would have went for hot choco, but this golden brown is absolutely pretty, you guys. Yes. Look at that description box. You'll see a direct link to Miss Julia. Period, poo. Like I always say, maybe you ain't Wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Julia. Maybe it's your granddaddy Julius. Whichever one, send them my way. Me and Sam's Beauty, get them right. These 4 that they sent that were part of the series, they were all out the park winners for me. Definitely recommend, but don't worry. Like I said, I had 27 red and blonde wigs to go through all together. So just buckle up, baby. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.